Hello everybody, I'm Stephen Engasser with eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com, and welcome back to Parkland Royale. This is my third video here of Parkland Royale, and today I want to show you the floor plans, the models, and the collections that they have available. I was just at the sales center, which is not on site yet. It is not too far away from here, but the sales center will be here probably within the next 45 to 90 days. So they're working on that. So if you want more information on floor plans, the collections, which are two, there's the Crown Collection and the Monarch Collection. I have the floor plans, the pricing, square footage, all the information you need. So all you have to do is text or call the number below, 954-551-1987, and I'll send you email or text all the information about the properties that they're gonna have here at Parkland Royale at the end of Loxahatchee Road, which is where I am at now. And as you can see, I'm standing here and construction, they're actually building a house out there already. So construction has started. They got some of the roads in. They still have a few more paving roads to do. And then this is gonna be another beautiful community here in Parkland, Florida. I'm Stephen Engasser with eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com. Now check out these pictures. Parkland Royale, a private gated community with resort-style living. Discover Parkland Royale, an exclusive new collection of luxury estate homes by Lennar, coming soon to the highly sought-after city of Parkland, Florida. This secure, gated community combines timeless elegance with modern comfort, creating a refined, family-friendly atmosphere surrounded by top-rated schools, lush green spaces, and a genuine sense of tranquility. Don't miss your chance to be part of Parkland's premier new address, Parkland Royale. Schedule your private tour today by calling me, Stephen Engasser, at eXp Realty at 954-551-1987. Well, thanks for watching. I'm Stephen Engasser from eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com. For more information about Parkland Royale, call the number on the bottom of your screen, 954-551-1987. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and comment. Let me know where you're watching from. And then, don't forget, when buying or selling, hire a veteran. Now, watch this video right here for more information on Parkland real estate. I'm Stephen Engasser from eXp Realty, MrFloridaHomes.com.